I'm just fixing it. There's like broken glass, there's nothing here. These are a little bit chipped. This handle's loose, and this drawer goes too far back. That's the only problem with it. Other than that, it's a great cabinet, so it's really going to be a fixation, not a restoration. The first thing we're going to do is try to fix this little chippage here. And then the glue bottle's stuck. You know how old furniture smells? That kind of musty, attic-y smell? That's what this thing smells like. Carefully. Careful. That should do the trick. This one's in a little bit worse shape. Maybe enough. There we go. This is a bit of a bigger problem here. This handle, probably standard spacing, so you could just get new ones. Oh look, here's a screw. That's real easy. Now all I gotta do is make this drawer not sink all the way back into it. I cut the plexiglass to go in the part where the glass was. Let's see what it looks like behind here. Okay. Why does this one side go farther in than the other? Doesn't really make any sense. Looking at it, it looks like it would just go in on both sides, actually. Oh, staple. That's easy enough. Though I could make the entire thing better by putting blocks in. And if this staple ever came out, they wouldn't have to worry about it. Oh, that's loose. Yeah, I'll do blocks. Let's measure things. 14 and a quarter. And the drawer is 11 and 7/16. That's 11 and a half. That's 2.5 inches. Okay. Get my blocks in there. Whoa. I was pushing it out a little bit, but they're too short, that's for sure. I could just move them up. Yeah, it's definitely pushing the back out. Just a little bit loose. That block one. See it right about there. Okay. Okay. It's still too far on that end, but it's parallel on the bottom, so that's more important, I think. The drawer's a little bit wacky. Shoot some nails into this thing, and the glue will hold it just fine. Just gonna sit here anyway. Tack it in there. There it is. Same thing on this side. Got a charm. Clean out the back a little bit. Some of that nasty dust out. That was up to the live spider there. Not anymore. Forgot about this veneer up here. Looking like it does. It doesn't look like I'm going to be able to fix it very well. We'll see. You kind of wiggle it, it sucks it in. You know, capillary action, all that junk. Science. That's pretty good. This should all be dry now. Wow. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Got it. That looks much better now. Pops off. Yeah, good. And good. Now we need some really accurate measurements on this. 16 and an eighth would do admirably well. And height, 26 and a quarter. This is our glass. Let's see, marker would be handy. Yeah. It's good. Bit of a, well, not wide, but a bit of a few teeth. I don't know if this is gonna work. It might be too little teeth. No, that doesn't work. Luckily, I can see the line on both sides. Oh, that doesn't work either. Oh no! I was going to score it, but I really don't need to because I have a scroll saw, a 16-inch scroll saw, and the 16-inch scroll saw can cut that far out. And this stuff's so thin, I think it'll be totally fine. we've got this piece on the bottom. Okay, it's like a little tiny round over. It's like a 3/8 round over would work for that. Hey look, here's some of it. Cool. I'm gonna make these ones, because they can even do miters in the corners. Why would you not do miters? That looks, yeah. I think it's a 5/16 round over, honestly. I could just use part of it. It looks like they kind of cut it off anyway. That's pretty stinking similar right there. Do the top one first. I'm gonna stain it though. Yeah, the color's not that bad, really. Yeah, I forgot to put the glue in. Alright, now let's see what happens. Nothing. It's got this weird kind of green gunk on it here. Just been trying to scrape it off, and then I found out the stain I'm using actually matches this pretty well when I put it on the old wood because it's darker already. Just kind of blends it in pretty well. So I'm gonna scrape this off and then stain it. It's better than the green. Looks pretty good. It actually does look a lot better than it did before. You probably can't tell on the camera, but it just looks. I actually ended up staining the entire thing with that stain that matched pretty well. It just kind of rejuvenated all the color and took out all the nicks and stuff that you can't really see them anymore. It looks a lot better. I really like it. The shelf's all done. It doesn't push in anymore. The handle's done because the screw was right there. I put the plastic in. It's really dusty and staticky. I don't like that, but can't really help it. Thanks guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, I'll see you in the next one.